Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect KuCoin to TradingView in 2026. For that, come here on tradingview.com, then log in here with the help of your email address if you haven't already. By default, you will be on this particular page where you just have to use the search bar on the top. Then make sure that you are in the symbols tab. In the symbols tab, you will find a bunch of different other tabs like we have stocks, funds, futures, and crypto. So I want you to click on the option of crypto so that it could show you the list of all of the cryptocurrencies, the chart of which you can launch here. So you need to select the chart of that particular cryptocurrency which you want to launch. So let's say I want to launch the chart of Ethereum. So after clicking on the option of launch chart, its chart is going to look something like this. Now here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Then use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then look for the option of KuCoin. You can also first of all click on the option of show all brokers. Then look for the option of KuCoin and see if it is available here. As you can see, currently KuCoin is not available for the connection here on TradingView, meaning that you can't actually connect KuCoin with TradingView here and punch your order. So if that's the case, what you can do is you can simply launch KuCoin in a new tab, and here you can log in into your crypto exchange here. After that, you can basically use TradingView for analyzing the chart of the cryptocurrency, and then you can manually punch your orders here in KuCoin. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.